Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, it's me Lana. Today, we are diving into my IT project review. Let's see what worked, what didn't, and what I learned. Maybe you wonder what is one of visual design communication student project. So I want to talk about one of my visual design communication project, which is ambient state illustration. So without any further ado, let's talk about that. Today we won't talk about UI state, empty state, the function, and for the last we talk about my project. Let's talk about UI state first. I will explain it word by word. UI is short of user interface, and user interface means is the display of some product, what we see in the product, like the design of the product. For the example is the shape or the color, and etc. Meanwhile, the state is the condition. But in here, we're not talking about the normal condition. In here, we talk about condition that's happening in the application or website to show it to the user. And for the next is empty state. Empty state includes in UI state. Empty state is an illustration displayed on a blank page. It's an illustration to show condition that something condition is happened to the user. For the example of condition, like there is loading, error, success, and empty. For loading, like there is loading material, and for error, like page not found, there's no connection internet, or maybe you know it for 04 error. And for the success, like the payment is successful, and for the last is empty, like you don't have any mail or chat. Maybe you're still confused what is empty state look like. So for make it clear, this is the example. So there's illustration here to illustrate the condition that's happening in application or website, and there is a title to describe the condition that's happening in the application or website, and some of empty state have a button to give interaction to the user. And then let's dive deeper. We talk about the function. So what is empty state function, and what is empty state tags in some application or website? First is for user are not confused and feel clear about what is happening in the application. And the second is the illustration function. The illustration function is to emphasize condition in the application. Illustration is the main point of empty state, so it will make more easier for user to understand the condition that happened. So for the next slide, we talk about my project. My teacher already gave me the description of project, and I need to make the description the same as my teacher say. So I need to make education app. This application is for someone that wants to take some course for the learning, and then I need to make 3 condition empty state, which is empty course, who is completed successfully, and internet connection error. When teacher already choose for the color and the theme also, I need to use the green taskbar and yellow, and for the theme I need to make it friendly, fun, and calming at the same time. For your information, this project is a team project, so the difficult part in this project that me and my team need to discuss what the style that we can do it together, and then what the stuff that we want to use in our empty state, so our empty state will look match. Also, for the first we search for the reference first, and then from that reference we analyze what the thing that we want to take from the reference, and then we modify it till our project is done. Then let's see the project result. So this is the project result. This is for the internet connection error, and this is for empty course, and this is for quiz completely successful. For the stuff, me and my team is agreeing we will use the school like ruler, whiteboard, pencil, and etc. And then from the reference we modify it. This the random circle. Our illustration will use this random circle, and around our stuff we'll use the little circle. So our illustration will look same. And for the color, we use dominant is the green Tosca and the yellow. And for the complement color, we use the darker yellow and the darker green Tosca, as you see here, for like shadow or like for make it more detailed. And then for the back color is the light green. Then maybe that's all story of my IG project review. Thank you for listening. Lana and over. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.